All right, yo, it's time to get your rock shuffle on. 1, 2. Shuffles can get pretty boring, but this one keeps things a little bit more fresh. So shuffle means we're dealing with triplets, and what's happening is, technically, just hand-to-hand triplets. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You're going to put that right hand onto the ride bell. So not this bit, the belly bit. And you want to hit that with not the tip of the stick, but the shoulder of the stick. So you go for a side-on whack. So get that going first. Triplet, triplet. If you say it, you can play it, so try and say it as you're practicing it. Your right hand stays the same volume the whole time, nice and accented. But now you're going to drop the volume of your left hand. Keep counting the triplet. Triplet, 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 triplet. These triplets, eighth note triplets, will alternate. So you start with the right, right, left, and then left, right, left. Conveniently enough, because this left will technically fall on beat 2, which means, say it for me, backbeat. Yes. So it means we can accent 2 and 4 in the left, which happens to be on the snare drum. Wild, I know. So technically this is only a 2-beat figure. You only have to worry about the first 2 beats. Triplet, 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 triplet. You get to choose after that point where you want to put your bass drums, but I really like putting them on the first 2 ride bells of that pattern. So you get just holds everything together a little bit more, but you could also do a 4 to the floor if you like to. And finally, one more hack with that 2-beat version. The third time you go for the ride bell, if you really want to just step it up a little bit more, get the ride cymbal instead of the bell. So you end up doing 2 on the bell and then 1 on the ride cymbal. Just adds another layer, another bit of texture to the groove, make it sound a bit more advanced. And lastly, if you want to take it to that extra level, add a quarter note left foot. Hey. Very nice.